Today we continue with the Spring Oauth2 series. In the upper right corner you will find the link to all the videos in this series. In this video we are going to map the roles and claims of the JWT access token to granted authorities in the Spring Oauth2 client. We continue with the code from the previous video. The link to this video can be found in the upper right corner. I want to briefly go over the Maven POM XML file. Spring Boot Starter version 3.0.2, Java version 17, and the following dependencies. Spring Boot Starter Web, Spring Boot Starter Oauth2 Client, Spring Boot Starter Web Flux, and Lombok. The changes are in the security config class. We have a new private method Oauth2 user service. Here we read the JWT access token and switch the claims authorities to granted authorities. We return everything in a new OIDC user. To use the Oauth2 user service we need to configure the method in the security filter chain. The last modification is there to verify operation. In the welcome controller we made a small modification. We use the authentication to make the username and user authority visible in the browser window. This was it for today. Thanks for following along.